Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, when uSne said ukuthi this season uze ngePeace, maybe uGerly was right about that, because on this latest episode of Izingane Zesthembu, we see uSne calling Umpilo to have some sort of sit down, and she apologizes to Umpilo, you guys. Now, in her apology, you guys, she does say, Uguti, Umpilo, I'm apologizing to you, not because Konumunto Mpokile, or not because Konumunto Fosile to do this. And one thing about production decided to expose uSne, you guys, and they played a clip from last week's episode where they showed uMaqele literally advising uSne to go and apologize to Umpilo, and uSne was adamant to she did not want to apologize. So there uSne is busy saying there's no one who forced her. I guess, guys, maybe after the conversation she had with uMaqele, she had a moment to, think about the things that uMaqele was saying, and she realized, you know what, let me go and apologize to Umpilo. Now, Umpilo, guys, she does take the apology, and she says, yazisne, angazi ukuthi mina nawe ukuthi siliswa yini, but you know what, I am so over this. This season, it looks like uSne is on an apology tour, because next week, we see her going to see uMakhumalo and apologizing for the things she said, and it looks like uMakeyi is not taking nonsense. It looks like she's not going to just take usori kaSne nje kanjalo, because we see uMake asking ukuthi yini okushintshile ke manje since you say ukuthi thina senzela izinto, or we do things for ubukwa. Hey guys, we'll see uSne, she must face the music, because she's been saying things azisheke. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.